Honorable Kennedy Agyapong say NPP for Edineka to say omo entria saa eka no ama no a ono enya ade a ono obabegina platform so aye campaign ama NPP da. Yes. Of course. Kennedy Agyapong akompreko honorable o say NPP for Dr. Bawumia say mo entria ne ka ama no eka o boy Abra omoko primaries no se mu entimi entua saa ekawe ama no a ono enya ade a ono obetimi ababegina simpie so obetimi aye campaign ama MPP ene Dr. Bawumia da. Yes, of course. Kennedy Agyapong demanded eka or boy during the primaries no. Yes, o demanded saa eka no. Na se Dr. Bawumia ene MPP entimi entria saa sika no ama no a ono enya ade a obabe campaign ama MPP da. Na nseya na enya entie se amanfo bi aform the base a chese amanfo bi kura link the base to Kennedy Agyapong. Kennedy Agyapong say he will only join MPP and campaign for Dr. Bawumia on condition that Dr. Bawumia betimi etria eka ono oboye during the primaries. No, yes, of course.
Agyapong Bawumia ko no kache Bawumia say he is not interested in MPP, whether he wins or MPP loses. But if he is going to make any public statement and basically convince the base, to follow Bawumia 2028. He will need some agreement done. Now that is why Bawumia has not been able to come out publicly himself to tell you, say, only Kennedy a meeting, normal a meeting. And that is why you never saw a picture or a video of Kennedy Bawumia in a meeting or exchanging pleasantries. No, because the agreement is Kennedy Bawumia said he spent 1.2 billion cedis on the elections. Okache Mahmoud Bawumia said the amount of money he spent on elections was 1.2 billion Ghana cedis, and that he will only 1.2 billion. Now Okache say that in dollars $92 million. That is the amount of money Kennedy Agyapong spent on the elections. Okache Bawumia say he knows they rigged the elections. Brand Champon Sunim said they rigged the elections. He needs that his $92 million back. And that if they can sign a document for Bawumia to pay 60% of the $92 million, he will start campaigning for Bawumia.
We, Kevin Taylor, Ninsembia, Wadi Atuda, or said, Kennedy Agyapong, or no dear, all share a free MPP ho, any Dr. Bawumia, and say, a car or boy, or mobitimi a triamano. Na se omo entria saa ekano emano over 1.2 billion Ghana cedis. Omo entimi entria saa ekana amano a ono Kennedy Agyapong, they should forget. He is not ready to campaign for Dr. Bawumia. Yes. We Kevin Taylor yede inimbe bia okofa free ye nsem bia odi da o kire said Kennedy is not ready. Yes. Kennedy Agyapong is not ready to campaign for MPP. Na impono Kennedy ebe campaigning ama MPP any Dr. Bawumia, it is only going to be on the condition that a car or boy, during the primaries, over 1.2 billion, Ghana cedis, omubetimi etrebiamano, at least part payment. Na anyasa ono akompreko Kennedy Agyapong there. He is not ready. Yes, we Kevin Taylor Nensembi wada tuda chese uko social in the media amanfo echre omo adwena omo echre say ene sa the base Kennedy Agyapong no ebom. Yes, the way Kennedy Agyapong all behave na all chre say MPP for Edineka. Yes, Bawumia Odemeka MPP Modemeka se mo entria ama me a enya ade ame na ba begina simpie so aye campaign ama Dr. Bawumia. Na we na amanfo bi edi ɛho nkɔmmɔ na ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ ɛneɛ the base Kennedy ɔhene Japan onim ho bi. Yes, of course. Aha, GHU TV. It is unsubscribe yana wotwa ato so ama me. Makramo.